Hello everyone. Today I will be exposing this person. Please don't ask me for their username. Before we start, please don't attack any Onuho will be mentioned in this video. Thank you. This video contains harassment. If you don't feel comfortable watching this video, feel free to click off the video. Now with all that said, let's get on to the video. The person's name that I'll be exposing is called Akko. We used to be really good friends but changed a lot. I'm not going to detail what exactly happened. She did very bad things to these people. This girl is called Ayano. She used to be a Kosger fiend. I had to tell Ayano what kind of a person Akko was. After Ayano broke up with Akko, she found a new lover. Their name is Alex. After the broke up, Akko started acting wired. This person is Ayano's girlfriend. This is what Akko has been sending to Alex. That was very rude of Akko. She wants to break Ayano and Alex's relationship. Now she used to claim that Ayano was her girlfriend, and now she's claiming that Alex and her are in a relationship, and she keeps adding her friends in the group chat. She also sent this to him. She's been using Ayano's sock, and Ayano never gave her a permission. Ayano also showed me this. If you're wondering what this means, that is a Discord scam. If you click the link, your Discord account will be hacked. Please don't fall for this scam. Akko, if you're watching this, please apologize to everyone. Anyways, bye everyone.